Yankopon enam so peni anim katia so ede nasam ebreye enede. Aya Liberty Church. Liberty Church a Reverend nim katia da no. Na efieda anopa bia. For the past 17 years. Nyame nam no so ebiebie ne nsam so etu yefo ehye ye nkran ehye ye gidie din enen so Yankopon nam no so edi bibi foforo ba efse rade pese ye nyame som a yesum ye koyenim abre nyina eno nti se ne wo ye ne fieda no pa bia fradofo no nko amenti ka kire wo se mrene du se ye koji nimdie foforo fi Yankopon ho ne de ka ne enim dada no ho na yetimi boy ye brase nkunimdifo anopei eye me Reverend Mrs. Lydia Nim Ketia mene Dr. Mrs. Eunice Jacominta ene Reverend Cyril Badrive ena yedi dwuman ho chiame moma yema yegidiesu ye nanti nko Yankopon na ase na ye nko tie ne ne onam sofopani Anim Ketia so ede ibrahim
Epacha nyame ani down so now or depending on you senior air cosum obejina ho enie den so libere so ewon paibom na odi a change be se nyame or depending on you senior air coso ewo abusua no mu no na air coso ofie ho no senior niam tie no nyame de nani ato so se wo obejina ho abrane so na wahwe na a change. God is depending on you. Wanitia ohwe wachi ohwe fia ofim onse fie no ehia yaresa ohwe wachi ohu se eniema bi kokoso a ensesen kebasa na ensesen ke change unya ya nka change but ansa na be change no jise nyame yusu nipa na nipa na obe yusu no enewo ose me de den na me wo ne awo eye obetimi akokoto jise na wa move a change nyama se fie ho nkrofo awo keke ye nware obetimi a change no se fie obia siso a otimi nya adwuma bana adwuma sai obetimi a change no ese nyame ye den or depending on you ose so for me ordinary no eno na nyame fa se ne ebe ya oyade na ono benya ni nyame epacho ye bie Bible ye call Joel chapter 2 verse 1.
Blow ye the trumpet in Zion.
Titi no time na ntokwa ne okun wo ho se asante wo ho na se wo mu hu se enkrofo bi free baby ba wo mu wo warriors a wo mu wo beposo ne ade a wo mu hu se don bi ba wo mu a sound alarm ye ni anon cry for say wo mu ha but wo mu position bi no mu wo bepo no mu a surround don cry no ho wo mu busuafo na bi wo ho a wo mu job ne say wo mu hu se don mu ba wo mu sound alarm na che say adu okon ye mpanifo no say satan ye trumpet na yusu na ye yusu ntwene and this wo mu hu se don bi fi ba bi ba wo mu ma alarm na nipa na o kantwene no wako sitwene so o sitwene so a obrotwene no interpret guwiem ma obi a wo aso obeti no o tintwene ne pe no wo se no afuo no odo cry so de na yi ne to ho adu okon ne oye bia so jai eye memamra ese ekon edigi omai ese ebre ye mojani edigi omai anontina abibrim ha se free tete oya akwala odu stage bia e do ko enkran for do ko beach na mo sia tintam se na ye kon oko north I the same thing we do 14 13 ho baby ye do ko se na ye sia se na ye de mo ko gina o se na ye to se kan di wobiem ni na ye chere se na ye obey warrior obey fighter
gbalojo ewolue icho enyo kankan kukue nye pa tatremante ye zion ninye bua ohye ye mi gon konkron le no
odifu ye wo nwoma no ti mienu nchichemu baako monhyɛn totorobɛnto wɔ Zion Na mommo ose me bepɔ kronkron no so.
Blow the trumpet in Zion. Mepacho, Brad chapter, the same chapter 2, kind verse 15.
Joel chapter 2, verse 15. Blow the trumpet in Zion. Sanctify a fast. Call a solemn assembly.
Okay. First one here, blow the trumpet in Zion. Second one here, blow the trumpet in Zion. Sanctify a fast. Just a mon shine to Robento. At the same time, no mon fa akomchi akondino. Akomchi no, or you soon say it is akonde, or say makondi and so. A few most of the time, fasting, a yadiane and nipa da sani edi. So per se, u break it through as I see any so fasting, a yadiane and nipa. Elijah no mobia fasting. Yes, you cry or yame or buy your fasting. And I want who's all fasting. 40 days. Okay, I say easy. Me say SSE nia e koso no obi siano. Eso obi siano. Eso obi e face. Tama Esther no mu say asemo ba no. Esther say mon kan kire Mordecai. Said mine nyina fasting mame. Na me so many men kwa na men funa enne ya nwi kebab. Yen no malt yen touch for 3 days in so cry yen because to trubento na she. Occasion say at the end of the 3rd day no me kwa ko face nana. Na me ko na wama scepter no so a yes chichire me ko ko twamiti. But my hair ready. Esther your ba say my hair ready. O say danu do a me kwa ko face nana. Na se me ko na wanyimi a me perish ya me perish. Me se sene etie wo fie no esese change. Se onu anum nyina ne ma ekoyie. We dan come, we sit down, we be a business, we I say, oh brothers, oh sisters, oh ma nana no mo. Ene ma ekoyia, eyema nyina. But esese be here ready say, obegina no. Second one, I say, blow the trumpet in Zion. And all the can say, ma fasting akondi eneso. How's that kokoni kose ne fato? Watch any tools afi. Fanning in our tool. Fifoni abenkwa. And then they made in cracker. Punching cracker. Ma fasting akondi eneso. So blow the trumpet in Zion because a war. The patch out timer, SSA relaxing and yanunie. Ese niema ko yie ma wankeye oyire prosper unia no mo prosper unyina mo koso onsi no madwuma ko yie wo mo biebie chances mafie no ko yie aye ese ko yie a eye o ma wa control mo madwuma koso o mo manifie etoton sase to padan ko yie a eye. Blow the trumpet in Zion. First one no verse 1. Second one here, verse 15. Verse 15, no, says sanctify a fast. 16.
Gather the people, sanctify the congregation, assemble the elders, gather the children, and those that suck the breasts. Let the bridegroom go forth of his chamber, and his bride out of her closet.
Wow, our phone no catch them so I'm feed them na your contact. A time of war. Maybe as a pastor, no meaning so my enema koyi, but enema koyi. Meaning because me take and for problems. A fine kasem, a juma sem, health. I say catch na worry for and say time my dibe di cake ni enema no. Omun pien fi dem. Omun si form fi oni 17.
Joel chapter 2 verse 17. Let the priests, the ministers of the Lord, weep between the porch and the altar, and let them say, spare thy people, O Lord, and give not thine heritage to reproach, that the heathen should rule over them. Wherefore should they say among the people, where is their God?
Hani osofwe niji yehu ason loele afo ye koile ka fole shan la telete ni ameke yehua na o man le mobo ni ka ngo ogbefan no le oha ahurabo Je majin le ka me mi fin adan lala. Meba ake ye majin la te ake. Negbe amenyumele yo. Amen.
Ma asɔfo Awurade asomfoɔ no nso wɔ ntwonoo ne afɔremuka no ntɛm nka sɛ, "Ɔ Awurade, dodɔ wo man ho na mfa w'agyapadeɛ mma ahohora, na amanaman nni wɔn atɛm. Adɛn nti na wɔnka no aman mu sɛ, ɛhe na wɔn Nyankopɔn no wɔ?"
Ani osofo ye afo ye na anyumo here. Na meke na anyumo ake. Now we be mobile. Now we be mobile. Who grow for mobile? Let the priests weep between the altar and the porch. Asofo nsuo nyame. Wow, adenti necessary enkrofo gina nchen no kan say oh. Wa kwa sorry sa sorry adabia okita Bible. Look at this. Ni Nyankopon no we. Asemato. Ni Nyankopon. I don't know say asofo no yen weep between the altar and the porch. Na yen kan che Nyankopon say ensese enkrofo nya chance no mo kasa. E fa ni enkrofo. Chapter 3 verse 9.
Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles. Prepare war. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up. Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles. Prepare war. Wake up the mighty men.
Prepare for war. Prepare for war. Kachre, Amaya mine said, "Woman siesi wom for okun. Prepare for war." Say okun time udua, who say mo be kokun. Ofa osikan no asia. Ofa otu abuba. Ofa tuonu no wa check say bibia ye adwuma because prepare for war. Ti kachira manamai ne say woman prepare for war. Woman siesi woman na okun time. Or when your time I home we okun time. Yeah, ya ware no yen ye fie. Anyame depend on you. Say obedi akun ama fie. Yare ebinom bebre nsese o ma permission na refio. Ti we no hia ne nema nsese o ma permission na de refio. Enema bi o ha nya chance era ho because ya na ya ma permission. Okita certificate. So our right so raho. Our right of entry because ya na ya ma permission. Nema bi o ha stop no gate na. Ebo ago ne abisa say aha opede. So me ba me no ba betina so that no permission. And nanom so ho ya me depend on you. So ma no ebe CEO, omu CEO ne fa ejina oso. Sai kai ma me biem.
Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles. Prepare war. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up.
Wake up the mighty men. Onim se sojani washa kotade alodu kitabibia tese wa amo ewo gate nano wa lodu bazooka nie grenade nie se wa lodu heavy I'll protect the gate nano but mubedu hono no ohia nkromo. The tragedy of today they say one more adados. Obi timi nya chance. Politician o timi nya chance kwan biema no ya electing a bibi. Owura parliament wa no started that. Ti ogusus no say na. Party announcement that cross akonya na ye na free ho. They say yes you on court na fee. Adwuma mu timi nya promotion bi nya chance bi unya position bi she. Owura mu now started di nyama sweet nyama enjoy di nyama na safe. Na fe we ye few ho pay. Na fe we ni started tonku. Na the next thing o snore. Oti hosa na. Position wa wani mu asese ya de ma no ya kukuru obi free baby de na be show. Because what that time now asese onyane no we asleep. What's a chance? So tell me who on chen or you on chen catch and say wake up. So for signal. I say wake up the day.
The mighty men.
Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Just a nipa ne a mighty man. And yes, or a man keke or ye nipa kesie but wada. Or your sra nipa ni hu but wada. Or your bia so jina say no sia konoa. Ubon say yes. But wada e pacho nyankopon depending on you. Wow, move fear no. As I said, take a step, bina a move kosro. But nyankopon depending on you. So all letting it down, all failure, what failure the whole family. What failure family? Wake up the mighty man. Just a nipa ni a mighty man, or your warrior, or your great man, or your nipa mua, nipa kesiye but wada. No si yanenu na on taking the place. Because at a time of war. Koso kaimane.
Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up. Beat your plowshares into swords, and your pruning hooks into spears.
They are all kind of say ye kasemwa, ye be kan ye beti asye ne say. Asona ye de don. Famo tonfo. Na on change asono non fanye pia. Onane metal na on fanye pia. Because it's a time of war. But brofumu you say ni amudi funtum asase no. Famo tonfo non fanye pia. Because baby do no. The young weapons of war. Koso.
Let the weak say, I am strong.
So let the weak say, I'm strong. Onim se o akono na se. Oka se mabra oti ho ya ba bekum. Ana o akono ebia ya shutu nsa. Ana ya bu na bakum. Ese se otimi do nine move to safety. Now kaso let the weak say, I am strong. Nia oyemreno onka say, let the weak say, I am strong. Wake up the mighty men. Besra wa your men, your mighty men. Ebinom ye tough, womo ye warriors. Womo ye akufu ankasa ankasa. Selfa akankasa. Ye can't obi a warrior. Ye yusu mrani bebre. Everyone say oh ye okufrobo. That just say otimi ku adu baby a bepo si wa fro bepo no ko overpower enemy no. Because first no usually one more one more kotena bebre ti tesro ho sa anti oba ni pia bo to so na ye pia. Aro kufrobo no ono ofro na wa ko overpower enemy no so. Ye wa bebre. See, wake up the mighty man. Mighty man be anyania. First of all, na sending pabwa no yigu ho our fashion, wa tightening lace. You know, obe dress it for war. Now dress up, see ho for battle. Because as I say, chucha a junior, chucha jo ma, chucha jo yere. Chucha jo nananom. 25 years down the line. Now, oh, yeah, no, a very reflective. 30 years down the line. Now, oh, yeah, no, a very reflective. Also, come on.
Assemble yourselves and come, all ye heathen, and gather yourselves together round about.
Okay. Yeah, kind of.
Nyeshia ene ye jemajin late. Nye fiata konkron nye tua. Etia hin kakan loela hin. Nye ha tabi loele. Fia ati abenke amefa keba nye kenye kwae aswa klante ni nye kenye dedai aswa kloi gbomoni yo wudo tete ake ekan lo jimi nye he afio ya ni nye ba nye je imagine fe ni dweresi kekpele nye bebu anye hina Yehowa
Mompa ye amayama mu munwura osahu Munyane no merima akofo nyinaa ntwimpini momfromra momfa moso mmobɔ mfina na momfa monere mmobɔ mpia de wahodwo nka sɛ meyɛ dɔmbarima monye ntamra
Osine wahodwo onka sɛ meyɛ dɔmbarima Osine waye mre waye bete wahodwo kra onka sɛ den meyɛ dɔmbarima Finally, Momian chapter 2 now. Verse 1.
Blow ye the trumpet in Zion, and sound an alarm in my holy mountain.
Sound the alarm. Alarm no say oko time. Me sure say bebre a etie me ya mo set alarm on mobile phone. Alarm no bar. Not just say either say obinyane and say oko school and say oko bompire and say anything. Sound the alarm. Koso.
Let all the inhabitants of the land tremble.
Now, or explain it bibi efa asrafo a okuwe no yebetimi agina no adi nkunim. Nyame nkrofo a yebeko adi nkunim. And all define yen, all explain it senior. Kind verse 3.
A fire devoureth before them, and behind them a flame burneth. The land is as the Garden of Eden before them, and behind them a desolate wilderness. Yea, and nothing shall escape them.
Mighty men now, or explain it asrafo no. Or say one more kwa ejadi omani. Sa asrafo anyamedi eye juma sa time you know. Or say ye call into battle a just rama eden ediani. A fire devoureth before them. Koso.
And behind them a flame burneth. The land is as the Garden of Eden before them.
Nia all can say ye kokuna. Just say forward ever, backwards never. Because ye nim say no, ye hunu to say it throne, but ye chi say no ye hunu say desolate wilderness. And until ye ni idea be across ye besan ye chi, but ye nim there ye eating throne until we fight forward.
Amen.
Koso.
The appearance of God is as the appearance of horses.
Or say soldier for no ye ni abere no say ye battlefield that ye appearance to say horses. Horse they are a symbol of strength. Just say ye dia konti se nkrofo a ya hoden ti se ponko so.
And as horsemen, so shall they run.
No say ye be tumirika ti se amponko. Very fast. Koso.
Like the noise of chariots on the tops of mountains shall they leap.
Ye be lipu on the top of mountains. The pacho may explain me sesi ye na ye di diakon e di ji efiesi. Eno na me explain. Nya bibi fufuro bia na me kire o ko sesi ye di na etimi e di establish the new system. Old one dey see e totwene and new one start. Oba pass o person call University of Canada. Ope bank statement. Abusuan no mo obi ani ho obetimi ama obi. But in Sessa Banasa. As a cousin, no cry about Ottawa or a professor or a man Cassana or receiving. And now on Penessa. Open statement. So, who way Yafu and a baboy or Bank of Ghana, who has a bit. I'll penny and then I'm a bonting per bank statement. No, I call who will be us maybe amount. The obey amount so a fake. Open visa, oh, you know, obisi mayama, no, I ye bribiama, the ayama no so ye fake. Who could do I sign the wabba? Koso?
Like the noise of a flame of fire that devoured the stubble, as a strong people set in battle array.
I say, ye ra akonoa, ye bibi, ye set of strong people, and Crawford one more ding. Strong people. Set in battle. Now say, ye quiet to say Jack Srama. Enti stubble bia na say, bribia wo ya nimbia no. Okunumu ni ye shinu free ho. Can 7.
They shall run like mighty men. They shall climb the wall like men of war. And they shall march everyone on his ways. And they shall not break their ranks.
They shall run like mighty men. So wake up the mighty men. My mighty men in Yane. The pacho say, soldier for honor say, enuro kwa. That time no ye inspection. Every shoe no shiny and answer shoe no shiny. Taren what to so and answer on to so. That time we do near Jina Kono. Na moja shegu kono nkrofo wa kukuro bia wa pra moja nyunu bokon ho de ne ko. Fe no bi be wa bisa so shoe no wa shiny and answer on shiny. Your peacetime soldiers. And your soldiers are only war. That no me chamo say peacetime soldier no ono there. You ni ma ye. Boy Benny, you know, tension, stand at ease. I can't believe you know I done it to another form. Every I done it. Any war time. Now, any fear. And you are no woman. One move a breti as yes, abrabo a war. Now, one more money, dear cool home, woman a dinkunim. And it is a fear on nipa 3, 4, woman, you know, on pipe bomb, then deeper. One be overpower enemy. Ma ho kwan na nyame mfa so wie kwan na ofie.
Na woni ye beti.
Mama me dase. So pani nyame nhyira opi and then so wasam out there man emu odu. Wake up, mighty men. Mighty man be anywhere ese order. So what daddy a na niema be fa wase. Enti enne Onyame asam ama yehu say we should wake up, mighty men and women. Say yada yen sorry if he say okobre edu enya sa abre ena so for panika ye hwe shua ye fe ne wutiri nwi a e flow wo ho there be sa abre e ye okobre na okobre so we mighty man onyame ba wa kode ene din empaibo why am rewa wo mpaibo mana wo sha ase wo ba edru middle na wada afam na wasan sorry there be sorry mighty man sorry mighty woman of God na ma onyame mfa so in change niema enkoyie ewo wankasa wabrabom ene wabusua nyina mu eduan na atape ewo wabrabom wadwuma na asai ana asetena nankasa enkoyie niema foforo so sa brei no se sorry e fa wakodie ne hye na ose wo kwa oja di wanim enti na chese wo wa ahoden pa wo betumi afro bopo ben na akukuru ejina wanim wo betumi afro bopo efise onyankopon kan ho ose sa brei yempan mu adadie wadidi ache wadi konkonte dokono banku ni nyina sa brei die ma wani mra wo ho so na fato aduane ne to ho na pai mu adadie ma wo ho se niema ekosu de ekosu wo me ma brabom de ekosu wo mi kunu abrabom de ekosu wo mi amasitenam mani nye ho na mmom onyame abie kwan se wo betimi aba nanim fa mpai boy na fa akwan kyereka ho na gina ye osi ne wabre no let the weak say I am strong se wa hojo kura osi kasa wo ye brane gina ho na nkunimdie ebeye wo dia
yo so fupeni onyame nhyira na dia eyemo wasam no mu kura ne se osi yemu aboa enipa no awarefo ene entotofiwa omoda enufo ano na satotofiwa obenum enufo kura ne yeso onye fase no ni ako a na wo de oti ho ye den odofo emra su so be ma home no so no we fisa amane no mu we fisa atete no ene dia ekoso wo ebusuanu wa brabom no sorry wate ene sofupeni edi asemu a esu asemu a ebe kenya mo we firi wotibia no mu ene nti ma home no so na no obi bisa se sofupeni a ode asemi ebae me pese me ne kasa isense de ekoso ma brabom ma ya mintumi hu ne amenye na kwan ben na mefa so ni sofupeni akasa sofupeni number eye 020 817 6870 020 817 6870 afin su kwesia da we ye wo osum kese e wo liberty asafo obebisa se liberty asafo e wo hefa liberty asafo gbawe de hiane so obefo ka ebesi malam junction udu malam junction a kasa wo kogbawe se trotro na obefo a ukra wa wo ka nso a obebisa direction e be kire o liberty asafo enye yera kwan kura The only total station a filling station a ɛyɛ total a ɛwɔ Gbawe kwan so ne opposite pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna Liberty asafo ɛwɔ kwesi ada we bra na bra ntɛm afei nso wobɛtumi ne ahyia ɛwɔ Facebook at 12 o'clock. Log in to Liberty Church Ghana with Reverend Enimu Nketia. Onyame nhyira wo.
Ọdọfọ mi di die pa sɛ wɔn nso ɛnɛ wasua biribi ɛma nea wate yi ɛmfa waso akyi ɛnkɔ na mmom ka kyerɛ wo ho sɛ wankasankasa wotwa mmoadadie ama wawo ho na wabɔ mpaeɛ Awurade sɛ yɛte n'asɛm no a yɛmfa gyidie nsom na yɛntu so anamɔ mpaeɛ ne sɛ ɛnɛ anamɔ a wobɛtu yi Nyame ɛbɛpagya wo ama wo ho aba mfaso ma wawo ho wabusua wuo ɛne ɔman a wote mu Nyame nhyira bebree dasɛnɛ yɛbɛsan yɛhyia mu ɛwɔ ha biem enkosi sɛ yɛbɛsan yɛhyia mu no Nyame asomdwe